Komoot Cycling Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people think cycling routes are easy to plan, but you won't believe what happens next when your trail suddenly disappears. Komoot is a route planning and navigation app for cyclists, hikers, and outdoor adventurers. It helps you discover new routes based on surface type, elevation, and difficulty level. The surprising truth about Komoot is that it highlights paved roads, gravel paths, and off-road trails separately, which prevents getting stuck on unsuitable terrain. Most people get this wrong. They rely on general map apps that ignore cycling-specific data. Komoot is best for riders who explore new areas. The surprising truth is that better maps lead to safer adventures. Subscribe for more honest outdoor app reviews that protect your rides.